our free market updates. We will be focusing on two pairs, which is Euro USD and AD USD. Please note that we won't be going much into details since not everyone is not familiar with the language that we use. Okay, so other than that, this is just market updates. It's not a trading lesson or whatsoever, just market updates. So on Euro USD, we will be looking for selling opportunities, and then we're gonna focus on daily and H4. We won't be doing monthly and weekly, but we do have analysis for those, but our focus is on daily and H4. Okay, so these two time frames right here are giving us selling opportunities. So we will be looking for selling opportunities. For that reason, we will not be buying because of these two high time frames, mostly this one monthly. So we won't be looking for buying opportunities on this pair. Our focus will only be on selling opportunities. Yes, so we gave out this one on the Telegram platform. On our Telegram free channel, we sent this signal out. Oh, and please note, these are not signals. This is just market updates. Okay, so hello fellow traders, welcome to our free market updates, our free price updates, but we will be focusing only on two pairs, which is Euro USD and AD USD. And please note that we won't be going into details because this is not a trading lesson or whatsoever. This is just market updates. We're just updating our views on these pairs, but we'll be focusing only on the two pairs because this is a public update. Okay, so these are not signals, this is just price updates, so please let's keep it that way, and I will try to use simple terms for everyone to understand. Simple terms, I'm referring to our market terms, our strategy terms, so I won't be calling this a supply zone or whatsoever, but I will just call this a zone. Okay, so please bear with me if maybe I use terms that we did not agree on. So on this pair, we'll only focus on daily and H4, but we do have analysis for monthly and weekly, but we're gonna be focusing on daily because this is our first execution time frame. Okay, and the smallest time frame that we use is H4, so hence we focus on daily and H4. So we give out this setup on the BFT free channel. We were expecting to see this reaction around this price, and we did. So currently we executed this one, so currently we are 101 pips in profits, and our stop loss was just 43 pips, which most of the time, not most of the time, always we add 5 pips more in case there's manipulation in the market. So this was our stop loss. It was 55 pips, yeah, because the zone is 45 pips. Okay, so our first target is 182, and our second target right here is 431 pips. So on this time frame, currently we do not have um, a trading opportunity other than this one, which if you want to take a trading opportunity, you are late. So you will have to wait for price to show you another trading opportunity, which it will present after the violation of the zone. I'll try to use a different color. After a violation of this zone, then that's when we can look for another trading opportunity, which will be giving updates on the Telegram free channel. So moving down to H4, let's move down to H4. On H4 already we executed on this zone right here. We executed this. We did take this selling opportunity, and currently we are still the same pips, 101 pips in profit. And now EURUSD on this time frame has presented us with a trading opportunity. So if you missed that this one, because this was on the daily zone, okay, these lines here represent the daily zone. So hence, as I said, on daily you do not have a trading opportunity if you'll be using daily as your execution time frame. But then if you'll be using H4 as your execution time frame, you do have a trading opportunity, which is this one right here. So price did all the right things. It showed us our golden rules, which I cannot mention now, as I said in the beginning that I won't be going much into details, so you must avoid confusion. So I'll just call them the golden rules. So this one meets our requirements. Okay, the strategy that we're using is a set of rules. Supply and demand is a set of rules. So if a trade does not, if a setup does not meet our requirements, then we consider that invalid. And if it lacks our requirements but it has most powerful requirements, we treat that at confirmation. Okay, but then if it meets all our requirements, then we know that it's a higher probability setup. So this one also, it's a high probability setup, which if one is trying not to miss this one, they will use pending orders. Okay, so we do have a trading opportunity, and your target should be from here to here, which is 165 pips, with a stop loss of 17 pips. You add 5, that's 22 pips. Yes, you add 5, that's 22 pips, because we said we add 5 pips in case there's a manipulation in the market. So you'll be risking 22 pips to get 165 pips. That's a lot. If you're using risk management, this is a highly profitable setup for you. This is your time to shine now. Okay, so this will be your first TP, and your second TP will be right here. Your second TP will be right here on this zone, and this is your first TP. So TP number 1, then TP number 2, right there, which is 414 pips. That's a lot. If you're using risk management, this will affect your account in a very positive way. And please note that updates will be made on our free telegram channel. Okay, so if you will be tracking with us these two currency pairs, then you'll have to check on the telegram or our Instagram page, which is Black Forest Traders Inc. Yes, we're done with Euro USD. Let's move to AUD USD. Currently, this zone is the one that's holding price, so it does not allow us to look for buying opportunities. So for that reason, we'll be looking for selling opportunities to this zone, but we expect a very strong reaction around this zone right here. Okay, so let's move down to weekly. Oh, the only time we will be looking for buying opportunities, it's when this zone has been violated. So if this zone keeps its control, then we'll keep on looking for selling opportunities. Then let's move down to weekly. I have to make this one a bit smaller so that it can fit on the chart, on the screen. So as for this one, this right here was a great execution, which we analyzed this pair a very long time ago. We've been tracking it for the longest time now, and we have seen this coming. Okay, we've seen this entry coming because we plan our trades. We don't just execute without understanding the dynamics behind the price. Okay, so on this one, we'll keep on looking for selling opportunities, and currently, if you'll be using this time frame to execute, you do not have a trading opportunity either than on this uh, zone right here. So you will go to smaller time frames because higher time frames helps us with the direction, to understand the direction of the market. You don't want to trade on the wrong side of the market because that's how you make losses. Okay, not understanding how the market works. So on daily, this is um, a trading opportunity. Should this one be taken out, we won't be looking for buying opportunities. Instead, we will look for selling opportunities on this zone. Okay, so but this zone currently is the zone that is holding price, and we took this sell as well, and we are still looking for selling opportunities down to this one. So this is a poorly formed zone. Okay, so around this price we won't be looking for buying opportunities to that zone, maybe, or to this one. We won't be doing that. We will be waiting actually, and the violation of this zone will provide us with another zone to short the market uh, to that lower zone there. And let's move down to H4. Okay, before that we said, should this zone be taken out, we stop looking for sell opportunities for that moment until price reaches this one. Then on this one we can look for selling opportunities down to this one. But should this one be violated as well, then we completely stop looking for selling opportunities. We will trade going down at confirmation, which I cannot explain what is that because, like I said, this is not a lesson. We just sharing with you market updates, and we just sharing with you our views on the current price. Going down to H4. On H4, price reacted to this zone, which we took a sell on this time frame. This was a good selling opportunity which was taken, and our first target is this one, and our second target is down there. Our second target is this one. Our second target is this one. So okay, let me use horizontal lines. Do I need them now? Okay, wait, let me go to this one first. Let me explain something before I forget it. Okay, this one, this is our selling opportunity that we just got, and price around here, it was influenced by fundamentals, but the good thing is fundamentals also respect this strategy. They didn't take out this zone. Instead, this zone still remained intact. It is still maintaining its control. Okay, so the violation of this zone will provide us with another trading opportunity going down to that lower zone down there. Oh yeah, it appears down to this zone right here, because this one we expect it to be taken out since it's a poorly formed zone. Okay, so our first target is, sorry, our first target is, our first target is 100 pips, 104 pips, and our second target is 710 pips using this time frame. And here, as you can see, our stop loss was 30 pips, and it still is 30 pips, and our target is 104 pips. That's a short-term target, but I prefer swings more than short targets, so my target is around here. So looking at this setup, we're looking at what you risk and looking again at your potential reward in pips, and the other one down there, you can see that risk management is very profitable, and the trick around risk management is understanding the value of your lot size, which can be calculated using your stop loss. This is the risk management planned by Black Forest Traders Inc. You do not find this type of risk management elsewhere because it's a custom risk management. So we had to understand the pip value in order for us to know how we should manage our accounts, because without risk management you can understand how the market works, be patient, but if you're not using risk management you can still not be profitable in the market, because you'll be lacking the understanding behind the value of your lot size. Okay, so if you haven't watched the risk management video, please just go on YouTube, on the search tab, and type in Black Forest Traders Inc. risk management, then it will appear on the first videos. So this right here, it's our value per pip after we did our calculations, meaning price will travel $3.30, whether it's traveling in our direction or against us. Price will be traveling every time price moves a pip, it will move with the value of $3.30. So if you know how much you are risking, so let's say here we gave a scenario of $1,000 account, meaning we'll be risking $100 per setup. So should price hit our 30 pips stop loss, this is the amount that we should lose. And should we hit our target, this is the amount that we should gain. So risk management makes you comfortable in the market. It eliminates trading with emotions, because already you commit in a trade knowing already how much you're gonna lose and knowing your potential profits. So looking at this setup, imagine even if you were taking this short trade right here, you would gain 3 times what you risked, because you would have risked $100. We're talking about this amount, this account balance. Okay, so if you want to learn with your account balance, go and check the risk management video in order for you to understand the method that we are using to calculate our lot size. So each and every setup has its own different lot size. We do not use random lot sizes or having that love of saying I am using 0.40 for all my trades. We do not do that. We calculate our risk so that we understand how much we're gonna lose and know our potential profits before we commit into a trade. And that helps us because we find ourselves in a position where we only targeting higher probability setups to avoid losses, to avoid this amount going into negative. If you're using risk management, you can have, let's say, 3 setups. Let's say, okay, let's calculate with the same stop loss, same target in pips. You can lose 2 setups out of 3 and still be in profits after losing 2 setups, because you lose $200 and on that one setup you will gain $100, so 143. You see, so that's how risk management is. So you can lose 2 trades, gain 1 trade, and still be in profits, which does not affect your account balance. Okay, but if you're not using risk management, you can win 1 trade. Okay, you can win 2 trades, lose 1, but this turns into negative. So you do not want that. You must use risk management. And please remember that the violation of the zone will provide us with another trading opportunity, which still it needs to be confirmed for us to take it. Okay, so here was just highlighting the power of risk management. Imagine adding this amount and that one down there. Oh, there it is. And that one there. So if you hit both of your targets, which is this one and this one, this will be your potential profit. This will be your profit. This one and also this one. So you'll add these two together, which will change your account balance to 3,686 from an account balance of 8,000. So it means your profit in total will be 2,686. You see, risk management, simple as that. Here we calculated only with one one setup, and we're saying that another trade is still yet to present should this be violated. So it means the growth in your account can be greater than what we just calculated now. So as a trader, you have to be patient in the market, which patience goes with discipline, and you must understand the market dynamics. You must understand how the market works. So your mentality in the market should not be around how much you want to make, but should be around how many pips are you targeting. You must have that hunger to collect more pips, because money is in the pips, not the lot size. The lot size can be misleading. If I was using, let's say, 1.00 um, on this setup here on H4, it means that price will be moving $10 per pip every time it goes either in profits or against me. Okay, so using this, if they hit my stop loss on this setup, it means I would have lost $300, if I'm not mistaken. 10 multiplied by, yes, I would have lost $300 on this setup if I was using 1.00. If looking at my account balance, and people, when they look at their account balance, someone would say it's logical to use 1.00 with $1,000 account, because they do not understand the value of the lot size that they are using. So if you're losing $300, if you lost $300, then it means your account balance would now be 700. Do you think that you would go into a next trade with a clean mindset? I do not believe so. So risk management is highly profitable. Please use risk management every time you execute your setups, and stick to your trading plan. We do have a trading plan that we can make it available to you. Just go to Black Forest Traders Inc. on the on Telegram. Yes, on Telegram. Then we will make that available to you. So it has a plan of 10 trades, meaning you will execute 10 trades to backtest whatever strategy that you are using. So if out of 10 you lose, you have more losses than wins, then it means that your strategy is not working for you, or maybe you have not yet mastered that strategy. Okay, so it means you are not ready to fund if you are in that position. So the only time you'll be ready to fund is if you have more wins than losses, and which your wins should be above 70%, not less than that. Okay, so thank you guys for your time, and another video will be uploaded the following week, the next coming week. And please remember to use risk management, and treat this platform as a business. This is not a gambling platform. Treat this like a business. In business, before you position yourself, in order for you to position yourself in that business, you first do analysis, you first do your business plans, and try to see if it will be profitable or not. You first plan, you check how profitable would it be, should it run according to your desires. And every time when you do a business plan or business research, you have to be realistic. So treat this in the very same manner. Treat this like a business, not a gambling platform. Okay, and when the Lord has blessed you with profits, remember to pay your tithe. at your church, because it's only God who makes this possible for us, you know. And if you're not a church person yet, I am praying for you. So I hope one day you'll take that decision to follow Christ. So have a blessed trading week. Thank you guys very much for your time. Updates posted at uh, will be posted as screenshots on the BFT Telegram channel. I believe I'm not forgetting anything. Thank you very much, guys. Have a blessed trading week.